Okay. In this video, we'll be learning something about ChatGPT. We'll be making a code where we can type the question and ask some information using ChatGPT. So for that, what exactly we'll be doing is we'll be creating a variable and calling the class ChatGPT. Here it is. Okay. And then what exactly we need to do is ChatGPT will be providing the information in text. So we need to convert that text to speech. So we'll create a variable cs which will call the class text to speech of the class text to speech, that is my ts. Okay. Now next I need to prompt a message to the user that what exactly they are looking for. So I will write down prompt is equal to sprite dot input. Here I will ask the question what information you are looking for. Okay. So now this thing, the question which will be answered that needs to be sent and stored in the GPT server so that we can search and get the information. Okay. So we'll write down the variable chat GPT and there is a method ask on chat GPT. So we are asking the same thing what the user has searched for and using the AI assistant. And what the question is stored in prompt. So once we get this thing, then we get an answer. The answer will be gpt dot chat user. So this is the answer how we get from the chat GPT, and it is that is stored in the variable answer. Now the sprite need to say this thing. So you say and then we write down answer whatever the answer is stored. Now this is how it works. So all the content will be in text that needs to be converted into uh, speech. So for that we'll use ts dot speech answer. That's it. Now we'll run the code. Okay, the code, it may take time as it is getting connected. Once it gets connected, we get the information, what information we want to search for. So we will FIFA World Cup. So we have given the question. Now the question will be searched in the ChatGPT server, and once the information is received, we will get the
The
answer.
FIFA World Cup is an international soccer tournament that is held every 4 years. It is organized by the Federación Internacional de Football Association, FIFA, and features teams from around the world competing for the title of world champions. The
I hope you have understood.
first World Cup was held in 1930, and the tournament has since grown to become one of the most watched and prestigious sporting events globally.